All right, so today I'm going to make breaded cauliflower steak Parmesan style. All right, but I'm also going to make a homemade tomato sauce because we spoke about this in the past, but a lot of the sauces and that you buy out the jars, they're full of sodium, full of sugar. So we're going to make a quick sauce on our own, and then I'll show you how to do the cauliflower. So first of all, I'm just going to put, this is a simple sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, saute in olive oil. I have some onion, there, some fresh garlic. And I'm just going to like marinate that, saute that for a couple of seconds, not marinate, sorry, I got my words mixed up. And I have some fresh chopped parsley. I'm going to leave some for the end, but I'm going to put a little bit in there. I love the taste of parsley in a sauce. Fresh that parsley. Turn it down a little bit, it's a little sizzling. So I'm going to use the Tuttorosso crushed tomatoes. Don't forget to always wipe the tops of your hands for the sake of, you know, people, like little critters in the shops running around. I want to make sure that we don't get any. The tops of your cans clean. I've got a little bit of salt and pepper here as well. And my pepper here. We'll just wait for the onion and the garlic to be a little bit translucent, which it is. And then I'm going to add the tomato sauce and bring that to high heat. Very, very simple sauce. I'm just get a little bit of water to mix that pan. Give that a quick mix up. And let that bring to the boil. Okay. Right, so I'm going to leave that on about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to use it for the sauce. Okay, I'm going to do the cauliflower. Now this can be tricky. We're going to make a cauliflower steak. All right, so you have your cauliflower here, and then we're going to cut the cauliflower, but you should really cut your cauliflower from the stem and not get rid of the stem. You can trim it up after, but just branches stay on the cauliflower. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to get it right and get you a nice cauliflower steak. Okay, so you have nice cauliflower steak right there. Right, I'm going to push that to the side for 1 minute at a time. And then I'm going to mix and then breadcrumb it. So I have my egg here. Egg. And a touch of milk. Now, if you don't want to use egg or milk, that's totally fine. You can use a little bit of olive oil. It might not stick as well. I'm going to use a little bit of milk. A little bit of salt and pepper in there. Not too much salt because the breadcrumbs have some salt in them. Just a quick whisk. And we're going to get our cauliflower, and we're going to have clean cauliflower, and we're going to dip it in the egg. For 1 sec, we're going to spray a baking pan. Light olive oil pan here. The oven is on 350. And then we're going to just breadcrumb it. Nice and covered. We're going to put it on a baking sheet. And now we're going to breadcrumb, we're going to put this in the oven after we've breadcrumbed it for about 20 minutes until it's soft. You can take a little bit off the stem if the stem is very thick. But remember, don't go too far because then you'll lose your branches. If you do lose your branches, it's okay. Just red cauliflower. You can still make it work. You could just put your pieces of cauliflower in the breadcrumb, okay, and bake it. So there's your cauliflower steak. Now, once this is baked, we're going to put, after the sauce is finished cooking, we're going to put the sauce on top with a little bit of mozzarella cheese, fresh parsley, and some parm. I've done one ready, okay, so you can see. Right, so there's your cauliflower steaks. And a little bit of sauce left over, so you can, delicious meal. And you can also use this on a pasta later on during the week, you know, if you make a nice sauce and you have some left over. And the water of the week is mint, lemon, and blueberry. I'll just take a little touch of Parmesan cheese here. And that is your steak.